You know, when we came onto this earth, what did we have? We had nothing. Our parents gave us a little bit, and we grew up being filled with whatever our parents filled us with. What this means is the Quran, the Hadith, explain to us how man was created. And at the same time, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, says that everyone is born upon fitrah. Fitrah meaning they are born upon the nature, upon the clean nature of humankind, a brain that is completely ready to receive whatever comes to it. So over time, you will find that parents and those around a child fill the brain and the system of the child in a way that it begins to consider normal whatever it is taught or accustomed to. And this is the reason why different parts of the world consider different things normal. Sometimes we would consider something normal that is absolutely abnormal and unacceptable in the eyes of others, and vice versa. So this is why it is so important to ensure that we continue going back to revelation